Hey guys, if you are thinking to take part on free tournament, okay, free binary options tournament on a daily basis, not for 1 day, 2 day, daily, okay, 7 days a week, then pocket option do allow you to trade on their free tournament on a daily basis. Okay, so I'll show you exactly how you can take part on this tournament. But before that, if you don't have an account on pocket option, then do yourself a favor, okay, and click the link that I have given in the description of this YouTube video to create your account on pocket option, and you will be eligible to get huge amount of deposit bonus inside this platform. Okay, not only that much, when in upcoming days you keep on depositing in this platform, then you will receive more deposit bonus in this platform. So do yourself a favor and click the link in the description and create your account on pocket option. So once you create your account on pocket option, then make sure to verify everything, okay, your email address, phone number, okay, and if there are some document that you need to submit, you can submit that too, okay. And if you want, I'll give a video link in the description of this YouTube video where I've shown you how to create and verify your pocket option account in a step-by-step process. Okay, I'll give that video link also in the description of this YouTube video. So once you log in, okay, once you log into this platform, then you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. And what you need to do is you need to do nothing. Just here you can see there is something that is called tournament. Just click on it and you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Okay, and these are some of the tournament where you need to pay money to take part, and that is also not big money, okay, just $1. Okay, you can take part in this tournament also. Or what you can do is you can scroll below and here is a tournament that is called day off. Okay, and it is saying it will start in 17 after 17 hour or something like that. Okay, you just need to click on this join, okay, and the prize fund is $250 and participation fee is completely free. Just click on join, okay, and then you can see here you can click on confirm participation. So you are successfully registered in the tournament and you will receive an email, and you can simply click on continue, okay, to go to the tournament interface. So here you can see it starts in 17 after 17 hours, and you can start to make trade and win the tournament to win real fun. And if you want to learn about the strategies to make profitable binary options trade, then do watch my other videos. I will give all of those in the description of this YouTube video. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.